If you forgot the screen lock password on your Pixel 10 Pro, then what you can do is you can perform the factory reset by using the Android recovery mode. Unfortunately, you will lose everything that you have on the internal storage of your phone, so unless you made a backup, you will lose all your photos, videos, and so on and so forth. But if you want to have access again after forgetting the screen lock password, then in that case we're gonna turn off our device first. So we're gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time. Just press both of them, and then we're gonna power off our phone. Now we need to wait for the phone to completely shut down, and once that happens, you want to press and hold the power button and volume down button. You want to hold these two buttons until you see this fast boot mode. There we go. Now in this case you can navigate in this menu by using volume up and down, and you need to keep pressing until you see the recovery mode over here, and then press power button in order to confirm. Now we need to wait for the phone to proceed. There we go. You will probably see this no command screen, so you want to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, press volume up. So it looks like this. Press and hold power and then volume up. And now we are in Android recovery mode. Now over here we can navigate once again by using volume button, so use volume down in order to go to wipe data / factory reset and confirm your choice by pressing the power button. Now over here go to factory data reset and then confirm once again. And after that you should be able to erase all the data that you have, and you will have to go through the initial configuration again. So that's pretty much it. And you should be able to access your phone again after that. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.